Degreed automation takes the complexity out of managing your learning programs. Our goal is to enable you to personalize your learner's environment, to direct your learners with nudges, and automate the follow-ups that keep your programs on track. When we deliver standard learning experiences, we miss the mark. That is why some of you have built hundreds of Degreed plans or continue to manage learning communications in a slew of SharePoint environments. The way things are today is a mess. Let's see if we can clean it up for you. Take the case of an employee that has just been promoted to be a manager for the first time, a clear moment that matters. With Degreed automations, we can set triggers that transform the manager's learning experience on Degreed. We can do it in a way that helps her identify the skills and find resources she needs to be successful. This client is syncing their core HR data into Degreed. Let's use this data to target learners that have received a promotion and create an automation. As an L&D professional, I want every new manager in the organization to be met with an upskilling opportunity. Today, to catch everyone, we tend to batch them together in monthly or quarterly sessions. With Degreed automations, I can start engaging new managers immediately when their role first changes. Without a single line of code, I can share relevant information and training resources in the moment they're needed. But here, the training we're sharing is specifically designed for our HR leaders. I can easily add a condition and target only those users. For our team, which cares a lot about ensuring new managers get enabled within the first 2 weeks of becoming a new manager, automation ensures that the right resources are delivered to the right users at the right time. But building a magical program requires more than just getting your employees to start. We also want to celebrate their achievements. We used to comb through completions and periodically send bulk follow-ups to our users. Now with automations, we can offer congratulations in real time. I can design an email that reaches out to each employee by name, making each message feel unique and special. Along with the congratulations, the email will also provide additional resources tailored to support their growth and success in their new role. If it were just emails, in-app notifications, and changing permissions, that would already solve a lot. But we're taking it to the next level of personalization with innovations we've delivered through the newly configurable segment-aware home screen. Part of the beauty is its ability to draw on what we call dynamic segments, a new way of defining user groups based on shared characteristics, not based on management of lists that are outdated almost as soon as you save them. As long as your core HR systems are connected, there are no more managing lists involved. With the introduction of our new homepage, we've also put the power of these segments to work in modernizing the user experience that defines Degreed. When you log into a typical learning software, personalization outside of the course carousel was typically constrained to a banner that your L&D team could define at the top of the window. Yuck. It might have been better than emails with bold subject lines for overdue training. But it wasn't exactly desirable. With Degreed's new segment-aware tiles, we're changing that. L&D professionals can now quickly configure rules and build personalization directly in the Degreed home screen that subtly pulls each learner in the right direction every time they log in. We just configured a simple rule and added a new tile. Now when a new manager logs into Degreed, instead of seeing their company's generic page, the home screen adapts to prioritize the new manager experiences when it's most relevant. Automations are magic, bringing personalization and execution together. The average large company in the US saw training budgets decrease about 16% year over year. With automations, we're helping you spend less time and money on program management overhead, so you can spend more of your budget you have on learning programs that help your people shine. Automation takes the complexity out of turning the talent you have into the talent you need.